Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my planner video for the first week of April, April 1st through the 7th, and this week I decided to do a bee theme. Now I've done a bee theme in my Happy Planner at least once before. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll make sure I leave a link here in the description and in the description box, but also a little card right there will pop up right now if you're interested in seeing that one. That one was a little bit more on the cartoony side, and this one I wanted to be kind of like more, I don't know, sophisticated, classy. I don't know what the word is, but so I have a couple of things here in front of me. I've got a couple of hexagon punches and I want to try to incorporate in the planner. I have a plan. We'll see if I can execute. I also have this really cool vellum paper. This is actually vellum paper that was created by my friend at, her name is Tammy. She is one of my planner friends, and she created this. She created this and printed it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this paper. And then I also have this really cool vellum from, I think I got this at, yeah, Michael's. And it's basically just the hexagon, you know, honeycomb and gold foil. I also have some stickers that went along with that, so I'm going to try to pull these bee stickers and use those as well. And the other thing that I pulled that you're probably like, why is there a book in front of you, Crystal? So what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be using this book that I got at the thrift store. It basically was almost coming apart, so I just went ahead and just finished it. But basically this book is got really pretty images, really cute little sayings and things like that on just like honey and bees and fun things. So I thought this would be a cute little book to use for the page. So I'm gonna try to pull some of these things out and then use them in the planner. All right, so my first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the vellum paper and I'm going to cut it out to fill in the spaces on the weekly. I've done this before in different layouts where I use the vellum kind of as a backdrop paper, and I really have liked how it's turned out, and I think that for this particular layout, it would be really good. And then what I thought would be fun is taking that book that I showed you earlier. I've cut out some of the punches with my hexagon punch, and I wanted to kind of create like a little bit of a pattern here on the side, but I'm not sure if I need to cover that up. So what I think I'm gonna do, look like this scrap piece of label paper. So I think I'm going to, let me just going to use this to cover up that side now. I have a one book page that was like the table of contents, or the list of illustrations apparently. And yeah, so I just punched a couple of punches out there. I definitely can get a few more. I'm trying to make sure I can get enough to get this bee punched. So my thought process is to kind of do like a little bit of a honeycomb pattern here on the side. I want him right smack dab in the middle. I want him kind of off-centered a little bit. And then I thought I would do a couple here at the top. No. Yeah. Maybe just like that. Yeah. And then I have the tiny one too. I can punch a couple of those out. So I have one more like that. I felt like I needed to do something with it. Maybe punch out another bee. Maybe I'll punch out another bee. I also have this one that has the bee. All right, so I think I want to potentially ink these up. So I'm going to see what that looks like. You know what, maybe let me check my colors. So I have this yellow one. It's called Mustard Seed. So I'm just going to use a scrap piece of the paper. I don't think I like that color. I also have this orange. Oh yeah, that's probably better. What if I mix the two? No, I think I just like the orange. Okay, so I'm going to use this little scrap from the one I just took out of there. I just feel like it needs to pop off the page a little bit more. I don't know. I feel like it's clashing with the gold. Let me try the vintage photo. See, yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, so I'm gonna take that one out and replace it back. Okay, so I'm just gonna ink all these up and then get everything glued down. Layout so far, I'm really trying to ignore this down here, but I don't know how long I can ignore that for. Yeah, I like how it looks though so far. All right, I feel like I need to cover this up more. So, maybe I put this down right here. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to use my glue and adhesive tape runner. Feel a little better about that. Okay, so let's I definitely want to try to incorporate this piece of paper somehow. But I don't know how. Okay, so I am going to, I put this little tag over here, a little flag thing that I had. I am going to actually cover up the numbers. So I am going to just ink up a couple more little small ones. And then cover up the numbers. I'm still debating on whether or not to do anything with, I think I actually don't want them straight. I'm debating whether or not to do anything with this bottom piece. Figure all this out, and then I will come back. So it's going to be sticker time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write a few things into the planner. I am going to start a devotional this month. I didn't get my devotional last month done, so I'm going to get it done this month. So I just wanted to go ahead and add a tracker on there. And then I have my Thursday game night that I'll be going to. I'm trying to do a goal this week of getting some new items into my Etsy shop. I'm really excited about it because I am going to have fun creating that. So, and then on today or later on today, I am planning on starting a birthday challenge giveaway. So I'm excited about that as well. I've got the video all recorded. I just need to go get the P.O. box. Okay, and then I'm going to go visit my Aunt June on Saturday. At least that's the plan for now. See if that happens. I think that was all that I wrote in there for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on my journal card. and I picked this page out of the book. It's kind of one of the reasons why I got this book, because I really loved this illustration, and I thought that it would make a great journaling card for a bee themed journal or layout spread. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some tea dye paper that I had, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back so that I have a place to journal. And then I'm going to just punch the page directly to add that to my planner. And then I did want to go ahead and ink up the sides. Again, I just did the kind of like the edging, not really trying to like make it look um, aged or anything. I just wanted to kind of give it an edge. And then I took the cover of the book, so the book had a like a cover on it. And then there's a really cute little quote on the back. And then I went ahead and rounded the corners and then inked that up. And then when I put that on there, I felt like it just needed a little bit of something on the backing. So I had that little scrap piece of coffee dye paper there. So I'm just going to rip the edges a little bit and then add that to the back. I think I do ink up those edges as well. Yeah, okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put that on the page. I'm using Fabri-Tac adhesive glue. All right, there you go. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my planner now. I really like how it turned out. I think it's really pretty, and it's like not in your face bee theme, but it definitely has the bee elements to it. And then the journal card turned out really cute too. It's really simple, but I love this illustration. And yeah, I think together it looks really pretty. So I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up if you do. Also, you can hit that little share button if you think other people might like this video. You can share it like on a whole bunch of different ways. So if you share that little button, you can share it. If you haven't already and you like my videos, you can definitely subscribe to them. Like I said earlier, I am going to be doing a birthday challenge giveaway. It starts later on this afternoon. Hopefully I get that loaded today. If not, then definitely tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.